Subscribe now.
Once upon a time, in the heart of the 12th century, the revered city of Jerusalem bore witness to a saga of valor and unwavering faith. Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, a paragon of Muslim leadership, stood at the forefront of this tale, his eyes set on the sacred land of Masjid Al-Aqsa. Jerusalem, a city of profound religious significance, had fallen into the hands of the Crusaders. The holy precincts of Masjid Al-Aqsa, a symbol of divine worship, were marred by foreign occupation. The call to liberate this revered sanctuary echoed through the Muslim world, reaching the ears of Salahuddin, a man driven by an unyielding commitment to justice. The journey to reclaim Masjid Al-Aqsa was arduous. Salahuddin, a strategic genius, meticulously planned every move, rallying a diverse army united by a common cause. As the Crusaders fortified their positions, the stage was set for an epic confrontation. The siege of Jerusalem commenced, and Salahuddin's forces faced numerous trials. Through blistering summers and chilling winters, they held steadfast, fueled by a shared determination to restore the sanctity of Masjid Al-Aqsa. The Sultan's unwavering faith and humility inspired his troops, creating an unbreakable bond among the defenders. The turning point came on that fateful day when Salahuddin's forces breached the city walls. A fierce battle ensued, and the echoes of clashing swords reverberated through the ancient streets. Salahuddin, leading from the front, showcased unparalleled bravery, his sword striking with the precision of divine justice. As the tide turned in favor of the Muslims, the triumphant moment arrived. Salahuddin entered the precincts of Masjid Al-Aqsa, humbly prostrating in gratitude for the victory bestowed upon them. The Crusaders were vanquished, and the city was liberated, returning to the bosom of the Muslim Ummah. The conquest of Masjid Al-Aqsa became a beacon of hope for Muslims worldwide. Salahuddin's magnanimity in victory set an exemplary standard, where mercy triumphed over vengeance. The keys to Jerusalem were handed over not as spoils of war but as symbols of respect for the sanctity of the city. Salahuddin Ayyubi's legacy endures as a testament to the unwavering spirit of those who strive for justice. His conquest of Masjid Al-Aqsa stands as a pivotal moment in history, reminding generations that, with faith, determination, and unity, even the most formidable challenges can be overcome.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है और आप और भी ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनना चाहते हैं तो अभी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारी वीडियो तो लाइक करते हैं।